Steve had some things that he needed to get done at the church, and we're still going through the merger of our church and that other one. But anyway, so I thought I would just go ahead and come along with him so Ziva and I could go walk around the parking lot. I don't mind a lot of snow sometimes, but this year with me trying to, get healthier and at least try to walk a little bit, it's so much nicer, like I said, being able to walk with it being mild weather. And talking about the church and the merger, it's going really well. It has been very, very crowded at the church that we are now attending because it's so much smaller than ours. But the plans are that if the merger keeps going well, which I believe it will, we will build. We'll either build onto that church or we'll build behind it. My brother, Bart, that lives in Tennessee, he sent Steve a drone. And I'm going to put the footage right here after this part of Steve when we got it in the mail. And it's been a while because we had to wait until the weather broke. It was either, snowy or rainy. Couldn't get out and try to fly it. So Steve brought it with him today since we're here at the church, and he's never flown one other than a toy one. But yeah, now that we're at the church, he can have this whole parking lot and not have to worry about it going in wires or over someone's house or something. So he's going to try it out today and get the feel for it. And then we believe that he might have to go for his license to actually fly it. So and then we'll just keep it put up until he gets his license for it. And once he does, we will be adding some footage on our videos once in a while for you guys. Like when we travel and even in different parts of Ohio. And that way you guys can see things. And we can see things from above. I think that would be really, really neat. Hey everybody, this is Nina and Steve and Ziva. My brother Bart sent us something in the mail, and we have no idea what it is. I cut the end off of the package, but I didn't look. So Steve is gonna do the unboxing.
Oh.
What is that? I can't see what it is.
It's a drone.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. You've always wanted one of them.
Yeah, it's a drone.
That's going to be cool for the channel, honey.
Yeah. He's even put batteries in here for it.
Aww.
So I have to look at it, but it's got a HD camera with it.
Oh my gosh.
And everything.
That's awesome. Thank you,
Thanks,
Bart.
If it wasn't so cold out, I'd go out and play today. But. Yeah. Here's the camera on it. You can move it to however you want to film.
Awesome.
So, that'll be cool.
Yeah. And there's the packaging, if anybody's wondering what kind it is. Now, as I said, this will actually take video and pictures from the sky, but we have to learn how to do all that. And there's an app that you have to put on your phone. So once he starts getting his license and all that for it, we will start learning how to do that. Ziva's dying to get it. Look at her. Sorry I'm shaking, but Ziva's pulling on my... Woo, Ziva. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, honey! Oh, I lost it. Hey, there you're getting the hang of it. I don't know where it went. Oh, it fell down. Pretty cool. Steve found out that if he does it by the joysticks, he can do it a lot better. Of course, he's used to playing all those video games when we were growing up that were joysticks. You about got yourself? You're doing better at controlling it, that's for sure. Oh, good job. Well, that'd be a good toy to play around with. And once he learns how to do it, where we can actually video, that will be fun. Woo! Oop, landed in the driveway over there.
I was trying to bring it down in the grass.
And Ziva's like, let me have it, let me have it. Okay, Steve drove over by the church that we are now attending, that our church is merging with. And as you can see, it's a lot smaller. And they have a big fellowship hall back there, but they own, there's like 5 acres, so there's plenty of room we could build behind the church. So yeah, I will just keep you guys updated when we know something.
Be a while before everything's done, because we're still trying to get through the legalities of it all with the 2 churches merging and everything. So it may be another 6 months before we actually get it all done and be merged together legally, or
Yeah.
so, but yeah, we'll keep you updated on stuff.
Well, we just got home and the mailman brought this up to the door. And it's from Amazon, but there's no paper in it saying who it's from or anything, but nobody has let me know. There's only a few people that have my address that watch my videos, but my goodness, that is amazing. Thanks to whoever did this for me. So very kind. Can't wait. Steve's going to put it together for me. This is going to be great. Sitting and watching TV. even reading. Thanks again, whoever sent this to me. Last night I couldn't sleep because my legs were hurting so bad from neuropathy, and I definitely would have used this because they feel like, you know, you have to keep them moving. Little Miss Eva's taking a nap. Oh, Mommy woke her up by saying her name. Oh, look at that face. I just wanted to say thanks, everybody, for watching our video. And God bless you all. And we will talk to you on the next one.